Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming hardware and network. Make sure the Chromecast is powered and the TV input matches. Once done, connect your laptop to the same Wi-Fi network as the Chromecast. This is essential for discovery. Next, open Google Chrome on your laptop. You don't need extra apps. Chrome's built-in cast handles the connection. Then, look for the three-dot menu in Chrome. Go there now and get ready to select the cast command to discover your device. You'll now choose exactly what to send. Open Chrome's three-dot menu and pick Cast. Chrome will scan and list available Chromecast devices. Make sure you change source if needed. Pick Cast tab to stream a single browser tab, Cast desktop to mirror your whole screen, or Cast file to play a local video. If you cast the desktop and need audio, check Share Audio before confirming. Once you click the device name, Chrome negotiates the stream, and your chosen content. Finish by controlling playback from Chrome. Use the cast icon or three-dot menu to pause, stop, or change source. To improve quality, reduce the tab or app resolution, or close CPU-heavy programs to free bandwidth. If casting fails to start, make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi and that firewall settings aren't blocking discovery. A quick troubleshooting tip. Restart the Chromecast device and your laptop. Often reconnecting resolves discovery and buffering issues without further tweaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.